previous tutorials we have learned for creating this floor plan. Now we have to see how to create the elevation. So for the elevation, for creating the elevation, you should know some dimension. For example, the plinth height, sill height, lintel height, and roof height. So in these tutorials I have to explain you all the dimensions, and I will explain you how to create the elevations. Okay, so let us start now. For creating the elevation, I have to use construction line. So for construction line, you can use this one. You can go to this draw command, and you can see here there is construction line and rail line. So you can select this line, and specify the point. So I'm going to specify the point, and you can, if you want to draw this construction line vertical, so simply click here vertical position. Okay, press enter. So you can see this construction line is drawn. And shortcut of construction line is let us delete first, and I will show you the shortcut keys of construction line. Shortcut command is XL. So type XL. I am going to use most of the time is shortcut command. So type XL, and for vertical simply type V, then enter, then simply click on this point. Okay, so for the construction line we are taking the outside line only, so outside projection. So I am going to take the projection for outside wall. Okay, so this 4 point will be visible, and then I am going to take this window projection, and this opening will be visible also here. Okay, and then this window will be also visible for this staircase. Okay, so this projection I have taken already. So let me select this and change the color. So I am going to select this one, and let us change the color to this color. Okay, now I have to draw the horizontal line. So take construction line XL, then type H for horizontal. Let us change the color first. Go to this property and change the color. Okay, type XL for construction line and H for horizontal. Simply click anywhere. Okay, then offset this plinth height. So plinth height will be 0.60, so 600.6 meters. So type O for offset 0.6. Click this line and click upside. Okay, then you have to offset the sill height. So sill height will be, your sill height will be 0.3, I think so, 1.2. Sill height will be 1.2. Okay, so offset 1.2. So to repeat the same command, simply enter the space button. So offset 1.2. Select this line and click outside. Okay, so this is your sill height. Then you have to offset the window. So our window is 0.9. Again repeat the command. So 0.9. Click outside. And then your ceiling height. So offset the ceiling height. So ceiling height will be 3 meter. Select this line from the plinth. Ceiling height will be 3 meter. So this is your ceiling height. Okay, and thickness is 0.12. So offset 0.12. Slab thickness. So this is your slab thickness. Now what you will do, simply trim the extra line. So TR double enter. Simply trim this line and select this line. Simply erase it. Okay. Then trim this side extra line. So TR double enter. Trim these two lines. Leave the first line, you have to leave. Okay. Then what you will do, simply draw the rectangle. So type REC for rectangle from this point to this point. Okay. This will be your plinth. Okay. And then this is your sill height. And the window is here. So this is your sill height from this plinth, and this is your window. So for window type REC. This is your window. Okay. And then this one door is here. So for the door projection from the plinth up to the 7 feet up to this lintel, this is the lintel. So simply draw the door from this point to plinth. So this will be your door. Simply select this and change the color. Also select the window. So here is your window. Simply change the color. So your window is yellow color. So change to yellow. Okay. And then your headroom. So headroom height will be 2.1. Headroom height will be 2.1 from the slabs. So from the here offset 2.1 meter. Type O enter, then specify the dimension. So 2.1 meter from this point. And again offset 0.12 slab thickness for headroom. So and then window height for the headroom will be 2.96 from this slab. So from this slab 0.3, then 2.96. Okay. So take Excel, type Excel horizontal line, click here, then move this one to 0.3. So select type M, then move upside 0.3 meter. Okay, then 2.96 offset 2.96. So type O enter, then 2.96 from here to here. Okay. Then type REC and draw the window from this point to this point. Okay, so there will be some confusion, so let us undo first. Okay, so what you will do, you have to trim the extra line first. Okay, so let me erase this. This is your slab. Okay, so from the slab TR double enter, from here all lines should be erased. Okay, and this is your rectangle. Okay, so this also should be trimmed, so TR double enter, this should be trimmed. So this is your base. Okay, and this inside line you have to erase it. Okay, then TR double enter. Okay, trim the extra line, then you have to erase these two line. Okay, because this is not required, only outside line is required, and simply trim these two lines. So TR double enter, or you can select and erase this. So this will be your window. Okay, and you no need this two line as well. Also this should be erased, this line should be erased. Okay, because this is only this vertical line which will be exposed outside for this X. This outside line will be only need to show in this elevation drawing. Okay, so these four lines only. So this should be removed, erased. Okay, and these two lines should be erased. Now what you will do, you have to show this window projection, this Shaja projection as well. So take the construction line, type XL, or let me draw first this headroom. So for the headroom, (3.12 plus 2.1 meters). So from here you have to offset 2.1 from the slab. So 2.1. You should offset from here 2.1. So this is your headroom. Okay, then TR double enter. You should erase this. Okay, and then this extra line also should be erased. This will be your headroom. Simply erase this also. Select this line and erase it. So this is your headroom. Okay, then you have to offset the headroom. Slab thickness 0.12 upside. Okay, then extend this two line. Okay, up to here. So this will be your headroom slab. Okay, now next is window. So this headroom window. So headroom window 0.30. So from this top you have to offset 0.3 from this slab, then 2.96 offset 2.96 meter from here to here. So this will be your headroom window. Now take a construction line Excel, enter. V for vertical, you have to project this window, okay, from here to here. Then you have to draw the rectangle, so type REC from this point to this point. Then you have to select these two lines and erase it. TR double enter to erase this extra line. Okay, so this will be your window for the headroom. Simply match, use the match command, and you have to match it. Okay. Now we have to draw this projection for this Chaja. So your Chaja projection will be type Excel V. So take this projection. This will be your projection. Okay. So Chaja height will be the lintel height. So again take the construction line and now type H for horizontal. So this is your lintel. Height, lintel height, okay. And then thickness is 0.12, okay. So offset 0.12, offset upside, okay. Now draw the rectangle. So REC from this point to this point. Now take L for the slope, show the slope from here to here. And now TR double enter is to trim the extra line. Now what you will do is you have to erase this or draw first this side as well. So take the rectangle, okay, and take line command and draw like this. Now trim the extra line, so TR double enter. Now you have to erase this line. You have to draw the lintel, show the lintel here as well. So what you will do, simply take this construction line vertical. You have to take these two projection here and you should draw the rectangle here also. Okay, now you have to erase these lines. Okay, you should erase these two lines. Okay, now TR double enter just to trim this line. And now you can select this line and erase it. Okay, so this is your Chaja projection. Now what you will do, we have to create this window. So we have to make this window, we have to create this window. What we will do now, offset this, offset 0.1 inside, offset 0.02, select this, offset inside. Now type REC just to draw the rectangle, two rectangle, this point to this point, from this point to this point. Again offset 0.02, select this rectangle, draw inside, select and click inside. So this is your window. Now match this, use match property, simply match these two line, match all this line. Okay, match this also. This is your window. Now you have to show the mirror glass as well, so you can show the glass with the help of line command. So I'm going to show this like this. And make this line as a group, so type GP, select this line and type GP. GP is the group command, so it will be GP. G, simply type G, it will be converted in group. So you can see this will be converted in group. Now you have to select and copy this side. Again you have to select these two both, and you can copy this side as well. So this is your window. Now let us create the window here as well. So use offset command, 0.002, thickness of the frame, offset 0.02, simply offset the thickness. Then you can draw the two rectangle. Type REC, then simply draw the rectangle from this point to this point. Okay, then you have to draw one more rectangle here, this point to this point. Then offset this 0.02, select and click inside. Select this rectangle, click inside. You can show two more section here. Okay, from this point to this point. Now offset this as well, so 0.02, select this, click inside, then select this and click this side. Click this side. Now you can copy this, or you can draw here as well. So type REC, rectangle, again from this point to this point. Then offset 0.02, select and click. Now you can match this. Use match property, type MA, select the source and then select the destination. Okay, now what you will do, simply select this mirror, this glass symbol, and you can place it here. Now you can copy these two, simply you can place like this. You can copy all these four and place it here. Okay, so this is your window.